26! Good morning and welcome back to my vlog. Alright, so today is Saturday, September 23rd. It was my birthday on the 21st. Yay! It's Saturday and we are going to Ocean Beach. This is my favorite place to be, in the Bay. I don't know, it just feels very wholesome. So we're gonna do like a little picnic and we're just gonna chill out there, just me and my best friend Radhika, and then we're gonna probably do some other stuff. I just know we are. Great birthday. I feel so loved and appreciated and seen on this birthday, and I really appreciate that. There's not a single thing I would have changed. I wouldn't have asked for anything more. It was very wholesome and I really loved it. And I'm very excited, just hella excited, just to see like how this year is gonna go. 25 was so good. Like, I feel like a chapter closed and I completed the things that I wanted to complete by 25. Dang, when I really think about that, the epiphany, like at 25, I hit every single goal that I wanted to. Oh, you know what I really want to go? I really want to go to Bath and Body Works, and I don't know what time they open, so I'm gonna look that up so we could go beforehand. Period. Okay, finally going to the beach. To the top, I'm coming. Tell my niggas be patient. I got pounds in the attic and I got bricks in the basement. Really try. Carrie's not a fan of the song.
You want to park here? Okay. Huh? Yeah, we're about to leave. Have you heard this?
We're here. We're getting a vlog. Oh. Okay, guys, so we are at an undisclosed place. I won't tell anybody. We're not dropping the location. Okay, so yeah, we're here for a while, and then we're gonna go to Aritzia, and then we're gonna be going to the beach. Yeah, show them the photos. Oh, that one's so cute. Down to the menu. Bye. Give me that. Thank you. It's that sun. Twins, because look at that. Look at our shoes. And the fits is giving cheetah girls. Okay, so we just finished eating. Now Brad's over here taking photos. I know, it is really pretty. Oh, cute. Get in. Do you want to really? Does it look better? Let me see which one. No, that. Oh, I'm going to act like I am just for the video. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so now we're heading to Aritzia. Is this a street? Yes, it is, babe. Oh my god. It is. It's good. It's good. Wow, what if I hit the other car? Damn, bitch, look how close I know, that's not recording. Yeah. No, you were gonna read you. Okay.
Which way am I supposed to turn my wheel?
Go back it. Now straighten it. Alright.
Oh god.
You're okay. Just pull over closer to the right more. Alright. Slowly. Gas more. Got him. Go like this. And then back it up.
What?
Go like
You
that.
can't get out from there?
Babe, look at that. Look. Nah, it's bad. Want me to do it? No.
Oh my god.
Straighten it out. Okay, now straight. Now straight back. Straight. Good. Curve. Oh, she got bars! Oh. Okay, so now we're walking in the streets of San Francisco. This is so cute. Oh, you look so pretty. It's nice in here though. So I think Radhika is looking for workout clothes. That looks like what's this? What's that soft? Oh, that is really nice. I'm doing too. She said she wants a jumpsuit with what?
It has a zipper.
What are you saying? Oh for it. See, look, I don't feel too out of style now because I have this. Yeah. Rock down. Oh, now you can see the whole fit. Yeah. Okay, no, this is a vibe. I'm thinking about wear this tomorrow for the event. What? Those. Oh, those are cute. You should buy the ones that I got from Fashion Nova. The ones, when we get back to the house, try mine on, cause they're really long. Hey, now we're on the way to the beach. I'm really excited. Where? Ended up getting a cappuccino with some brown sugar and cinnamon. Bitch, your pussy ain't hitting if you take it too long. Told him put my name on it. Hey. Birthday accomplished! Woo! We're taking photos. We made it to the beach for the birthday, and I am a happy gal. Ugh. We're now waiting to do some Polaroids. Rika did this photo. Fire!
Okay, ready?